Hi there, I'm Andy Hillier, and today I'm going to teach you how to play the theme from Jurassic Park. Lovely little tune to play, and it's really easy to play on the guitar as well. We've got quite a lot to get through, and it should sound like this. Okay, so lots to get through. Let's learn it. Let's do it line by line. Okay, so it starts off. And just while I think of it, if you could subscribe to my channel, which is Andy Hillier, if you could give me a like, and any songs you'd like me to do a video on, put them in the comment section down below. Or if you just want to say hi or give me some comments, put them in the comment section as well. Okay, right, so let's get on. It starts off G3. Lasts for 3 beats, and then it's going to go to G3, to G2, back to G3. So you get 1, 2, 3. And it does that again. 2 B1s, and then to 2 B4s. Okay, so let's do the whole line minus the last 2 notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, and then the last 2 notes of that line go B3 to G3. So remember that. So it goes, and then we go on to the next line, which starts on B1, then G2, and then D3. Okay, so remember the 2 notes we had from the previous line, which was B3 and G3. Let's put that in front of it, and it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then at the end of this bar, it goes B3 and G3. Then it goes back to B1 on the second bar there. And then we get E1, G3, B4, 2 B3s, 2 B1s. Okay, so let's play from the previous 2 notes, which are B3 and G3, and then that line up to the B1 there. So here we go, after 3. 1, 2, 3. And that holds on for 4 beats plus 3 beats on the next bar. And then we get the last 2 notes of this line, which again are going to go into the next line. So it goes E6, E5. Okay, so E6, E5, and then it goes to the next line. So it goes E6, E5, and then starts the next line on E6. And then you're going to do 6, 5, 6 again on the E string. Then 6, 5, 6 again. 8, 8. 11, 11. Okay, so let's play from the previous line the 6, 5 on the E string, so E6, E5, and then let's play along that line, and we'll skip out the last 2 notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 8, 8. 11, 11. Okay, and then the last 2 notes again are going to go on to the next line. Go E10, B11, and then E8, which starts the next line. So E10, B11, and then the next line, E8, B10 and G10, and then it's going to do E10 again, B11, E8 into the next bar, So taking the 2 notes from the previous line, it goes. Then we go all the way up to E13, B11, E11, and then 2 E10s, 2 E5s. So let's play the previous 2 notes of the 2 notes from the previous line, which go E10, B11, and then let's play that line. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And then we've got 6, 5, 6 on the end of that line, going into the next line, which goes E6, B6, G8, and then E6, E5, E6, B6, B8, G8, and then going up again to E6, E5, E6, and then we go B6, all the way down there to D8, and then we're going to do B9. So let's play E6, E5, and then start the line. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we've got the 6, 5 on the end of this line, and jump to the next line. Starts the same. And then this is where the different instruments kind of are playing the little lines. There's like kind of horns and things. So we're on bar 3, and we hit that 6, and then it goes to the B6, B5, B6, all the way up to E11, E10, 11, then E8, E7, E8, and then to finish that line, B6, B5, and it's going to hit B6, which is part of the next line. We'll see that in a sec. So let's play the whole of that line. We'll play an E6 and an E5 and then start the line. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So, and then the last line just holds E6, E5, and then E6. And that's the whole song. So let's see if we can play the whole thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three. And there you have it. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed that little lesson of mine. If you have, if you could subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate that. And also I've done loads of other themes, so if you could go and watch some of those other videos, that would be amazing. Can you give me some comments in the comment section, because that seems to help me. Give me a like on this video. Thanks for watching this. I've been Andy Hillier, and I'll see you next time.